Onshape has rethought the process of top-down design to provide users with multiple, robust, scalable approaches. First, multi-part part studios enable the creation of multiple parts in the same design space, allowing geometrically related parts to share features and update parametrically together. Alternatively, in-context design allows you to capture a snapshot of your assembly geometry to use as a reference when designing parts. Because the context is a snapshot, you can make changes to your assembly without causing downstream errors, or being forced to lock references like you would in other design tools. Instead, Onshape gives you complete control over if and when you want to update the in-context references. Master sketches are also used to capture design intent and can be derived into multiple different part studios, with the stable version references providing project-wide consistency as the master sketch evolves. Finally, global variables can be defined, referenced, and updated using Onshape's flexible variable studios. All of these methods can be used concurrently depending on your team's needs, giving you unprecedented flexibility and control.